Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of maintenance strategies and answering the age-old question, predictive or preventive? Which one yields the highest return on investment? Let's find out. First, let's define these two maintenance approaches. Predictive maintenance uses data and real-time monitoring to predict when a machine or equipment will require maintenance. On the other hand, preventive maintenance follows a scheduled routine of upkeep, regardless of whether the equipment shows signs of wear and tear. So what's the real ROI? Well, the answer is both. You see, predictive maintenance can save you money in the long run by preventing unexpected breakdowns and minimizing downtime. However, it requires sophisticated technology and a skilled team to analyze and interpret the data. On the other hand, preventive maintenance may seem a bit old-fashioned, but it can also save you money by extending the lifespan of your equipment and reducing the need for major repairs. But here's the key insight. The best approach is a combination of both predictive and preventive maintenance. By using data to predict when maintenance is needed and combining it with routine upkeep, you can optimize your maintenance strategy and maximize your ROI. This hybrid approach allows you to prevent costly breakdowns while also avoiding unnecessary maintenance costs. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do we implement it? Well, it all starts with investing in the right technology and training your team to use it effectively. With the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance is becoming easier and more accessible. And with the right training, your team can learn how to analyze and interpret the data to make informed maintenance decisions. But don't just take my word for it. According to a study by Deloitte, companies that use a combination of predictive and preventive maintenance have seen a 25% reduction in maintenance costs and a 70% decrease in equipment downtime. That's a significant ROI that you can't afford to miss out on. So as a tech-savvy YouTube audience, I encourage you to consider implementing a hybrid maintenance strategy in your organization. It may require some upfront investment, but the long-term ROI is worth it. And if you want to stay ahead of the game in the ever-evolving world of technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. This clip is brought to you by Fast Lane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.